Laura Healy.
And I'm Michelle Kuda.
And we're from a middle school here in Wayne, New Jersey, and we wanted to share our thoughts and views on Squigl with you.
Have you heard about Squigl? Squigl is a video content creation platform transforming students' writing into engaging videos. Squigl integrates with Google, Clever, and Microsoft, so syncing your students' data is a seamless process. Teachers can post assignments through Google or Microsoft and allow students to work on their projects as they normally would. For this particular project, students were able to create an advertisement for one of the 13 colonies. Students were guided through the research process as well as provided with a graphic organizer to draft their scripts. After students log in, they will see a few options to create their video. Videos can be created as an original Squigl video, a video from a PowerPoint, or even from a movie of their own. Students are able to type their scripts in Word or Google Docs and drop them into Squigl, or they can type their script directly into Squigl. And here is where the fun begins. Once students copy and paste or type their stories into the text field, they can then choose a natural, simulated voice in a variety of accents, or they can record their own voice in any language they wish. Once the script is in place, students have some options of choosing their own images and backgrounds or having Squigl choose for them. The next step in the process is for students to choose if they would like to use the hand illustrator or not. Once this step is complete, there is an option to make a video interactive using questions, voice comments, buttons to click, text animation, images, or even a video, which we have seen some pretty creative ideas from our students. Through a platform like Squigl, we definitely saw an increase in engagement and retention of information from our students. One of the most helpful features of Squigl is the ability to switch languages. Having access to multiple languages for text translation as well as platform language was extremely helpful for our EL families. Here is what an example of a completed student project would look like.
Do you know about the Great Pyramid of Giza? It was built as a tomb for King Khufu and is the largest of Egypt's pyramids. This pyramid was 481 feet tall and weighs 6.5 tons. The base is the size of 10 football fields. The structure took 23 years to build and contains 2.3 million blocks. This is one of the 7 great wonders of the world.
All finalized projects can be exported to your web-based learning platform. Here in our district, we use Google, so you will see our videos can be exported to Classroom, Google Drive, YouTube, or as a link to share with parents. We have currently been using Squigl for research topics, essays, tech tutorials, and even to promote events at school. The possibilities are endless. How will you use Squigl in your classroom?